Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on all things YouTube. In today's video, we're excited to share with you some big news that could potentially change the way you make money on the platform. That's right, YouTube has announced a brand new feature update called VRS, or Video Revenue Sharing, and it's set to launch in 2023. In this video, we'll be breaking down exactly what VRS is, how it works, and what it means for you as a content creator. So, if you're looking to earn even more from your YouTube channel, make sure to stick around and find out all about this exciting new development. YouTube, a popular video sharing platform, has recently introduced a program called Viewer Revenue Sharing, VRS, in India. This initiative allows viewers to earn money by watching videos on the platform, making it a game changer for content viewers. However, the VRS program is currently in the testing phase and is only available to a select group of users. Once the testing is complete, it will be rolled out to all viewers. Prior to the VRS program, YouTube only had the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, for creators to earn money through ad revenue. However, viewers did not have a way to earn money by watching videos. With the VRS program, viewers can earn 10% of the revenue generated from the ads displayed on the videos they watch, which is a significant improvement over YPP. In the US, where the program has been launched, viewers can earn up to $200 per month. This has resulted in a significant increase in YouTube views in the US. The launch of the VRS program in India is a significant move for YouTube as it seeks to cater to its growing audience in the country. With over 467 million active users as of January 2023, India has the second largest number of YouTube users globally. The VRS program presents an opportunity for YouTube to tap into this vast audience while providing content viewers with an opportunity to earn money. Additionally, the VRS program will benefit content creators by increasing the viewership of their videos and generating higher revenue from the ads displayed on their videos. It will also encourage creators to produce high-quality, engaging content that attracts more viewers. Overall, the launch of the VRS program in India is a significant step forward for YouTube, offering more opportunities for its growing audience and content creators. This program has the potential to transform online content consumption in India, and it will be interesting to see how other players respond to this move.